is going on, my YouTube friends? So yeah, we're gonna get out there in the garage today and we're gonna put that cross member in. Yes, we are. Not gonna tighten nothing down or whatever. And we're just gonna go, let's get out in the garage and get this done, baby. Oh yeah. Let's see how good this works. Get my ass up in here a little farther. Oh, that's so nice. Very nice. Perfect. Perfect, huh? Is that perfect or what? That is what we want right there. Yes, it is. So let's see how this right here go up there. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be great. Okay. Let me get this up there and yeah, perfect. Yeah, buddy. See what we can get up here. See if we can get her done. I'm pretty freaking excited. What about you? Let me set this up. I'll bring it right back. Alrighty. Well, she went up through really smooth. So I got it up there. So all I got to do now is like lower the trans down and put in the bolts for the trans mount. Get that engine to settle down more. And I'm pretty excited, guys. I have to say I'm pretty excited. Yeah, buddy. All right, let me get out from underneath this car and I'll bring you back. Well, I gotta say, we got a lot done. You figure this week we got the engine in, got the transmission, all that in one shot. I mean, I got some touch-up and stuff I got to do, but, you know, we'll get to that. But I think now that we got the cross member in, I'm going to have to lower the trans down, get it in, get everything bolted in, tightened down, snugged up, or whatever we're going to do. But I think next step is we're going to start working on the ignition wiring. I got some goodies for that, and finish up the fuel line, going to the regulator, going to the carburetor. We still have a lot to do, but we're going to move forward and get her done. And I really appreciate you guys. I really do. You guys pushing me, man, getting me to work on this thing. We're getting more and more excited every time we get a little something done. And I mean, they're not big moves, but they're moves, and we're moving forward with it. So I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome, because you guys are the best. And hey, you guys have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. We're going to get this baby running soon. Yes, we are.